What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I have some very exciting news that I want to share with you, which we'll talk about a little bit later on. But the main point of this video is I'm about to head to Tobin's because we're going to be doing some stuff on his 180. We want to mock up his 1J again. You remember the last video that we did where we mocked it up? The motor was sitting on a bit of an angle, and no matter what we did with the mounts, we tried unbolting them, bolting them up in a different position on the block. But yeah, no matter what we did, the motor was still sitting on a bit of a lean. So he's modified the mounts a little bit, so hopefully we can get the motor sitting straight. Before we chuck the motor in though, he's got a Tomei baffle kit. He ordered one a while ago and they sent him the wrong one, and I think the right one has showed up now. So yeah, we're gonna chuck that in before we put the motor in. Also, the exciting news that I want to talk about is actually at Tobin's. So I'm going to shut up and head there because, yeah, today's going to be sick. Rocking up to Tobin's. Very nice looking JZX100. So I made it to Tobin's, and he's actually done quite a bit on the 180 over the last week, just a bunch of small things here and there. Everything's pretty much powder coated now, and it's come up super sick. All the hardware has all been zinc plated as per usual with Tobin, and this thing looks gangster.
Come along slowly, eh?
Are you just re-tapping that?
Yeah, just re-tapping these because there's powder coat and a few of the threads, so for the one fold, just run it through.
He's went and brought this today, or picked these up. Bunch more zinc plated stuff. Pretty standard. More zinc plated shit, powder coated bonnet hinges. Dash bars in as well. Again, powder coated, all the hardware's zinc plated. And in the back here, the rear bumper support has also been powder coated. And Tobin's flatmate Hayden has started putting plugs on all the lights at the back here, because Hayden is going to be completely rewiring this car from front to back. Absolutely nothing original is going to be on this car, so yeah, he's gone and put brand new plugs on everything.
All my Haltech gear's tuned up as well, but it's going to go pick that up probably tomorrow.
Yep.
Just waiting on the dash shot though, but and then after that, ready to go.
Oh, you still got the ECU and stuff?
Yeah, ECU's here, looms here, body, and heaps of other stuff's here. Should do what I need, and then I just need to buy my water meth injection kit, and then pretty much on. Got all the wiring for all the new body loom and all the connectors to go through there and through the back and stuff, so that should be a bit of fun.
You've given this engine bay a bit of a, not a huge wash, but this looks so much cleaner than the last time I've seen it. Oh, the roof as well. This roof came up so good.
A few watermarks in the bone, just put quick detail or whatever it is.
Yeah, this roof came out super good. Sheldon did a real good job of getting this super flat. There's no sort of areas at all that you can see any imperfections, and hasn't even been buffed yet. This whole car still needs to be buffed once everything's done. Headlight covers going on.
Yep. Keep the dirty mitts off it. Oh, this will get buffed anyway. Did I even run the tap through these?
I don't think you ran a tap through that side. You definitely ran it through that one over there.
I might have to run it through this side. Got quite a bit of adjustment, so I need to figure it out closely, but then I'll figure out where they actually sit.
Did it go on the hole easier?
Definitely did, mate.
Gotta love the pop-ups.
I don't show off my old hardware, man.
Now he's putting door trims back on.
Yeah, I want to, so I can pull these rubs up, sick of chucking over them. Make it look a little bit more complete.
All about the day.
I hate all these rubber things, eh?
Don't lie, you love it. You love the small tedious jobs that take forever. That looks so much better with all the trim and stuff back on. You guys can get a direct comparison. If we go over to this side, you can see that this doesn't have all the trim and stuff. Makes it look so much more complete. Before we start sorting the sump on the 1J so we can get it into the 180, Tobin just did the other headlight, and it's starting to look more and more like a complete car.
Yeah, no point putting the bonnet on over.
Nah, mate, do it. Makes sense. Oh, another thing that he's already done is he's put the oil filter relocation onto the block.
Give it a big stupid what do you call it? Heat transfer thing?
Yeah, factory oil heat transfer bullshit. Unnecessary crap.
Oh yeah, and I've got all new fittings and shit and for the front brake lines and stuff. So
Brand new brake lines.
Yeah.
You gonna get them zinc plated too?
No, I'll just leave it like that.
We just turn the engine over to its side, cleaning any potential gunk and dirt out and that might be in there.
Yeah, the old gasket shit. After dry it off and then spray it all, blow it all out, give it another one with a fresh microfiber.
Always clean your surfaces before you put gaskets or goo down, kids. It'll save you a headache down the line.
Oh yeah. Back of the fucking mess in the driveway. In the eyes.
Before we go putting the sump and baffle on, I will just show you guys a few of the little differences between JZs and RBs. Most of you will be pretty familiar with the inside of an RB because we rebuilt my 20D only like 2 weeks ago. So here we have the JZ. First off, you can tell that the cranks use a cap instead of like a whole cradle system. The rods have these bolts instead of a stud that goes through in a nut. The other difference is you can see these oil galleries here. These are the returns on the JZ. This is the single biggest reason why JZs are so much superior to RBs, because RBs have the oil returns pretty much by up here where the squirter is, and it drops the oil directly onto the crank and it can aerate it. And the other thing is it has so many more returns and they're so much bigger. You know, RBs, the biggest problem with them is the oiling system, and JZs just don't have that problem. Hayden's on the dabs.
My name is not Hayden, it's Peter. Peter Schneider.
Peter, as he so calls himself, is doing this different kind of technique. Usually or most people would just like put a fuckload of gunk on there and like use your finger to smooth it out, but just dabbing it all the way along makes so much more sense and it's way cleaner. Smart man.
Where are the studs gone, bro? Had some studs in the front.
Yeah, remember they fucking came out?
Was that?
Yeah.
Slop tightening the ones that go inside, because if they back out, it's probably not going to be a good time, is it?
Not a good time.
So this is the first plate of the Tomei baffle kit on the oil pickup in there.
I don't know, I might have to get you to get in there with the light and see if I actually... Oh goodness. Fuck's sake. There, if we can hold the fortune there like that, I should be able to...
Oh, Tobin was successful in getting that stud in there. Well, you were saying it came out yesterday.
Yeah, we had to take it back off. This way? Or this way? This way. Alright, sweet, can't put that on there. Keeps.
Now, finally, for what most of you would have clicked on this video for, you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail, and kind of clickbait, kind of not clickbait. It said, brought a JZX100 Mark II, not I brought a JZX100 Mark II, but bro Shane here brought a JZX100. This is just landed. You got this from Japan, eh?
Sure did, yep.
Yeah, over in the auctions, and this has been here like what, a week?
Yeah, like 3-4 days sort of thing.
And already he's done the right thing, slammed it on some suspension and put some 3-piece wheels on it. How good?
Cheers.
What are your sort of plans with this? Like, I know the plans, but tell the people the plans.
Yeah, so the plan's going to be to plus T the VVTi 1J, manual it, and kind of see what happens. We've
Yep.
got aero and stuff to chuck on it, and yeah,
Yep.
sort of see what goes.
So he's got a lip and skirts for it. Fitted them up on the weekend, and tomorrow they should be being able to pick them up from paint.
Yep, that's the one.
Yeah, so the next video, I'll probably include that. I don't know what the next video will be, but yeah, we'll probably chuck that in the end of something, because this thing looks pretty gangster like this, but once you put a lip and skirts on it, it changes the car. You've had a two-tone Mark II pretty much exactly like this in the past, eh?
I sure have.
Yeah, that one was turbo manual.
No, that one was a GX100, so it was a 1 GFE.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, true.
Yeah, and the one before that was just a pearl white one, and it was turbo manual.
Yeah.
Blah, blah,
Oh,
blah.
right. Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, yeah. So you're a resident JZX100 fanboy, eh?
Sure am.
Yeah.
Yep. Can't get enough of them.
Nah, fair enough. So this, we'll have a look a little bit more in the interior. This has got the monsoons as well, which is dope. They're in good condition. The interior in this is pretty good. How many Ks are on this?
150.
150.
Yep.
Yeah, so, I mean, it's not low Ks, it's not high Ks either. What's that? Only just run in. Yeah, Toyotas go for 1 million Ks, eh? Yeah, so the back and stuff in here is pretty good as well. So you've got a roof wing, roof wing as well.
Roof spoiler, rear lip, side skirts, front lip. And yeah, we'll kind of might have a look at a few other little bits like some mirrors, and yeah, kind of go from there.
Yeah, this thing looks gangster. This makes me miss my Mark II. Even though my Mark II was an absolute sack of shit, it was still fun.
Exactly, they're still great cars at the end of the day.
Sweet, so that will pretty much wrap it for this video, guys. Cheers for watching. Stay tuned for the content with this. We're gonna be filming it, aren't we?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, fuck yeah, I'm so excited. I've never really worked on a JZX100 before. I've done a little bit of work on my old one, but apart from that, not too much. So I'm looking forward to this. This is gonna be sick, and this car's gonna be fucking cool when it's done. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Cheers for watching, guys. Catch you tomorrow.